Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato soup and rice. First, gather your ingredients. You will need one 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, and 1/2 cup of uncooked white rice. Don't forget 1/4 cup of heavy cream for that rich finish. A small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a tablespoon of olive oil are also essential for building flavor. This simple list ensures a flavorful and comforting meal. Now, let's build our flavor base. Finely chop 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté it until it becomes soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, add the minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until it's wonderfully fragrant. Be careful not to burn the garlic, as it can turn bitter quickly. Next, it's time to combine our main ingredients. Pour in the entire 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes into the pot with the aromatics. Stir in the 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth and the 1/2 cup of uncooked white rice. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer. Cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the rice is perfectly tender and cooked through. For the grand finale, remove the pot from the heat and stir in 1/4 cup of heavy cream. This adds a lovely richness and smooth texture to your soup. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. Serve your delicious tomato soup and rice hot, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh basil or parsley. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your comforting homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.